Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a T-Mobile Galaxy S8 that, of course, is currently blocked for lost or stolen and EIP. There's actually two blocks on this device right there, in which, as you can see here, this is part one. I'm just going to go down, run it on the Imei check status. This is definitely a T-Mobile Galaxy S8. Do apologize for not making any videos for a good minute. Just so much has been going on, which it's definitely blocked for EIP non-payment and reported right there, in which actually an insurance claim, not just reported, just it's an insurance claim and EIP non-payment. This is part one of the T-Mobile Galaxy S8, in which that is the Imei. Tune in and subscribe. Thank you for watching.